Every organization talks about collaboration, but too often, collaboration means endless meetings, scattered notes, and delayed decisions. What if your team could reach clear, evidence-based outcomes in under 60 minutes? Mindhive makes that possible. Combining the speed of artificial intelligence with the power of human insight. Mindhive is the world's first AI-enhanced collaboration platform built to guide teams from discussion to decision to a beautifully structured, actionable report automatically. It's fast, secure, and designed for enterprise collaboration at scale. It starts with context. Type your topic, and Mindhive instantly curates the most relevant prompts, questions, and references. So instead of warming up, your team begins focused. Tackling the right issues from the start. Behind the scenes, AI agents act as digital research partners, surfacing insights and data for every participant. As your conversation unfolds, Mindhive listens, highlighting the moments that matter most. Those insights become ideation cards. Structured ideas your team can expand, merge, or refine together. The result? A seamless transition from open discussion to organized creative problem solving. When it's time to decide, Mindhive helps you get there faster. Each idea is automatically analyzed, with AI highlighting supporting evidence, impact, and feasibility. Then your team votes, combining data with human judgment to identify the top priorities. No bias, no confusion. Just clarity and alignment. In seconds, Mindhive generates a comprehensive report, summarizing every discussion, insight, and decision point. It's beautifully formatted, evidence-backed, and ready to share across your organization or with clients. What once took hours now takes minutes. Mindhive is trusted globally under Accenture's Master Technology, Purchase and Use Agreement, ensuring enterprise-level security and compliance. Recognized as Australia's #1 technology company by the Australian Financial Review, Mindhive is redefining how teams collaborate, securely and at scale. Faster decisions, higher engagement, real outcomes. Experience the future of collaboration, where AI and human intelligence come together to move your organization from discussion to decision in under 60 minutes. To learn more, speak with one of the Accenture team here in the AI Innovation Gallery. Mindhive, where AI meets human insight.